Hello there. Are you a woman who is interested in taking her health and nutrition to the next level? Are you interested in learning practical tips and tricks on how to nourish that gorgeous body that is doing all the work? Are you interested in equipping yourself with the right nutrition knowledge to help you take good care of your children and your entire household? Then I want to officially welcome you to the Healthy Foodies channel. On this channel, we would provide you with healthy tips and tricks on how to better nourish that gorgeous body of yours. And we would also provide tips and tricks to help you as a woman, not only to nourish your body, but to ensure that your family is adequately fed. I would also be sharing healthy food recipes to help you diversify the things you're currently eating in your household, as well as provide healthy and affordable alternatives to your regular family foods. If this sounds like something you are interested in, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you'll be the first to know whenever we post new content on this channel. My name is nutritionist Eddie Udo, a graduate of the University of Calabar from the Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. And I am here bringing all the knowledge I have acquired in the university to ensure that you are properly educated on adequate nutrition for yourself and your entire household. As women, we are saddled with the responsibility of providing adequate nourishment for our entire household, which includes your children, your neighbors, and even your in-laws. So it is important that you are equipped with the right knowledge so that you are intentional about the kinds of food that you make and prepare for your household while not neglecting yourself. This is what this channel is all about, to help you bring balance and adequacy to the types of food that you put on the table for your family and your loved ones. I understand you are trying to focus on your career, your dreams, and your aspirations, and those are very valid. But society has also saddled us as women with the sole responsibility of handling the home and catering for our family and loved ones. Combining your dreams and aspirations as well as managing the home can be tedious. This is why on this channel we will be making that process a lot easier, as long as the kitchen, food, nutrition is concerned, so that you are able to make informed and personalized choices regarding your nutrition, your food for yourself and for your family. On the next video, I will be teaching you healthy ways to help your skin to glow and pop as a woman. You know we are all about the beauty, mama. The skin has to skin. Do not forget to hit subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be the first to know when this video comes out. And kindly drop a like on this video so that more people would see and hear about us. You would not like to be on this journey alone, would you? Until next time, mama, do not forget to nourish, flourish, and glow. See you next time.